Very sorry for disruption from technical problems. So now solving like this, I can't delete anything here. Coming to continue from the previous clip. Exercise 7.2 concerning to was that error identification, the techniques and the way to answer or to find out the fault, the mistaken area, mistaken word or expression in the error identification sentences. We must understand the technique of solving these problems. How can we solve the problems? My technique is number one, you have to find out what? You have to find out what? Find out the part of subject. Parts of subject. For example, how many sentences we have here? We have 10 sentences. The first one we have to find out part of subject. This is part of subject. Only one word, never mind. The second one is this. If the sentence consists of only one sentence, adjective clause, adverb clause. This portion is part of subject. The part of subject is this. Of, for, etc. All of this, okay? This one. Thousand of part of subject. Let me separate part of subject first. Part of subject, this one. Parts of subject, anybody? No. No part of subject. Part of subject is not in this one. After part of subject. This one. Part of the subject. The number of part of the subject. Not difficult. Part of the subject. You must be able to do this first for solving the problems of error identification. Exactly, not only error identification question, sentence completion, text completion, and other tests also use the same thing. And even translation also, if you understand the structure I taught you before. If you understand the structure I taught you, everything will be easier. All of these contains active voice, passive voice, tenses, and regular, irregular form of verb, etc. will be included in will be included in error identification questions. So you must have vast knowledge, big knowledge, big enough to determine which word is correct, which word is not correct. Number one, as I said. Number two, find out. Find what? The subject, okay? The subject. Only one word. Subject word. The subject word. Word. Which one is subject word? Change the color. The subject word is this is subject word. The subject word, only one, not assembly line, no, only adjective. The subject word is only kind. Subject word, only one word, means singular subject. The subject word is this. In fact, thousand of comes together. The subject word is in front of preposition. I use s here as subject word. The subject word, what about this one? No. Different structure. The subject word is Tom and the subject words. Two words. Subject words, not the subject words is come together. The number of, a number of. Every one of subject word is this. Number two. Follow this one. Then we will have many tests. The big test is waiting for us. After the big test, I think 100 point test will be provided for all of us. I just finished evaluation of my master degree students. How the top of the class got 89. Not bad, huh? 89 point. Let's see from you. 89 points. Excellent from 100 points. Very nice. Okay, the third step is find then out verb of subject verb. See that it's agree with subject or not. Agreement, subject verb agreement. You will, okay, no problem with you will. Will can be used with any word. Will can be used with every subject. Will, would, shall, should, 13 words. Can be used with, if you cannot remember, please come back to study this one by heart until you understand clearly. All of this we studied before, tenses and voices. All of these are the key factor that everybody must understand if you are my students. The second one is assembly line worker. Worker is plural subject. Will can be used with every subject. No problem, we pass it. One kind is singular subject. Singular subject. Verb is singular. Verb, put s here. Okay, correct. We see this one first. The third one is subject is not correct because of is here. If we use thousand, we have to put s here. Thousands of, which word? Thousands of s here. Okay, then we blacken here. This one is a is not correct. Not necessary for us to change. The structure of thousands of plus plural form and used as plural verb, plural subject become no ses because thousands is plural subject. Then negotiations with the company. Negotiation is subject verb here. Okay, and let's see verb also. Verb compromise or not. Verb agree with verb or not. Agree with means this one, sir. This one, madam. Agree with mean this one. Verb to be plus verb 3 and verb 4. Will, would, shall, should plus verb 1. Have, has, have, had plus verb 3. Verb to do, does, did plus verb 1. Like this. Agree or not. If they agree, we pass. If not agree, we have to change. Have plus verb 3. Okay? Yeah. Lead, late, properly. The formation of a joint venture, their negotiation with that company have led what? Led to. This one is CCAT because lead to what? I don't know, to the destination you have in mind. Let's plus we study have let, bit let here. Can you remember? Bit let here. Watch, make, need, see, help. All of this plus verb 1. Let meet, not meeting. This one A. Yeah? Easy, eh? Better than nothing. Better than nothing. Much better than nothing. Next one. Then coming back. After plus what? After. We use after before as. I wrote this one for you. As now, plus now. Preposition. If it is not now, we use verb 4 as now, and after that we have after he plus subject plus verb. Verb may be perfect tense, past perfect tense there. After finishing, correct because of this. College. Tom and 2 persons hope to become professional. I said professional golfer. 2 nouns together, compound nouns. The first one, no SES. Like this. Deduct. Employees were done by themselves. Active voice and passive voice. This one passive voice. Be plus verb 3 passive voice. No. Employee look forward to. Wait for. Wait eagerly for. This one must be looking forward to. Don't forget looking forward to 4 words that I taught you plus verb ing, verb 4. Look forward to, devote to, object to, be opposed to, refer to the contents I taught you. Don't forget to refer to the content. Return to what I teach you. You will understand better. have number sorry A answer A. We find the incorrect portion of the sentence. That we don't find the correct portion. We find the incorrect words. The number of is singular. The number of plus plural. Correct? Yes, correct. But car in front, no S-E-S. Correct. Not cars. So many times, I don't care. The number of car accident. The number of is singular or plural subject. It is singular subject, ladies and gentlemen. You can't use have. The correct one will be has. Understandable? Everyone is always singular. The structure of everyone, one, we repeat again and again, plus plural noun. And everyone is singular subject. After singular subject, verb 3 or verb 4 depends on voice. We use plain plus s here. Easier. Beyond this, use what? Adjective, adverb, verb, whatever. Easy to understand, okay? If you can do this, every question will be solved accurately and perfectly. One kind of the four, this one already answer. And number 2, B-boy. Number 2, the assembly line workers will be more productive when the second one, the company installs new equipment. Equipment should not have S, uncountable now. Difficult this one. Difficult. Install because singular subject. Company singular subject. Install S-E-S there. And use adverb clause. I said before, adverb clause. Future simple tense. Will, shall, can, may. Use with present simple tense. Use with present tense. The next one is in order to, not in order for. The word use CCAT. That's all for answering all of the question that we should know right now. So I think it is easier for my students who understand how to tackle the problems and then use the knowledge we study in this course to solve problem accurately and gain better scores for sure.